In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an expense report in Monday.com. This skill can be incredibly useful for organizing your financial data efficiently, ensuring you keep track of all expenses and manage your budget seamlessly. So let's dive in and explore how you can set up your expense report easily using Monday.com. First, let's start by creating a new board within your Monday.com workspace. This might sound a bit technical if you're not familiar, but it's actually quite straightforward. To do this, simply look at the left-hand panel of your screen. You'll see your current workspace name, and right next to it, there's an option to add a new board. Clicking this will be your gateway to initiating your expense report. Once you've clicked to add a new board, you'll see an option that says Board, along with another option that suggests starting with a template. Now, choosing a template is a great way to streamline your setup process, especially when you're creating something as systematic as an expense report. So go ahead and click on Start with Template. This will direct you to the Template Center, which is essentially a library containing a variety of pre-designed templates tailored to different needs. In this template center, you have the freedom to browse or search for specific templates. But for today, we're focused on finding the expense report template. Just type expense report into the search bar, and once it pops up in your search results, click on it. After you've selected it, you'll see an option labeled Use Template. By clicking this, you enable the template to be automatically added to your workspace as a brand new board. At this stage, you'll notice that your new expense report board comes filled with placeholder data. These placeholders are there to give you a sense of what kind of information can be entered and how it should be organized. But don't worry, they are not set in stone. Feel free to delete these placeholders and start customizing the board to fit your specific needs. You can add, edit, or remove any information as necessary. Tailor each section to accurately reflect your financial records. This flexibility allows you to make the tool work specifically for your situations and objectives. And that's really all there is to it. Creating an expense report in Monday.com using templates is not only efficient, but also user-friendly. You'll find that this method can help you better manage and visualize your expenses, allowing you to spend more time on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or tutorials available on Monday.com.